Kevin Shaw here, editor-in-chief of Mopar Connection Magazine. One of our biggest concerns when it came to getting our 10-second Dodge Charger ready for hitting the power tour was our rear gear setup. Our ratio is set up at 456s spinning a Detroit locker. Now that's great for running around town and spinning tires and just being a rowdy street car, and it pisses off a few kids in Mustangs. But when it came to driving on the highway for 1,000 miles, we wanted something that would drop the RPM, but not necessarily kill our 60-foot time. So we reached out to the guys at Randy's Ring and Gear, and they strongly suggested that we go to a set of 410s with their new Grizzly locker. Now you might be thinking, why even bother if we already had a Detroit locker to go with the new Grizzly locker? Well, the answer is actually pretty simple, is that when you change from a 456 gear ratio down to a 410, you actually change the size of the carrier itself. And since our current Detroit locker would not fit our gears, we had to step up to a new resized Grizzly locker just to fit our 410 ratio.
There's a bit of a trick when it comes to accessing the insides of a Dana 60, and that is you gotta undo the shackles and drop the entire suspension just so that you can get the housing low enough to remove the inspection cover and get the carrier out. Otherwise, you're gonna be banging into the gas tank. That's something that we learned pretty early in our project. With the old locker out, we were able to insert the new pinion gear and shim it properly. Next, we torqued down the ring gear to the carrier and inserted it into the housing with the new bearings. The yellow paint marks you see indicate where the pinion indexes into the ring gear. If not set up correctly, the ring gears could bite too deep or not deep enough, and you could result in premature wear.
So yeah, Dana 60 35 spline 410s and a Grizzly locker. So that's what we're running in the car right now. And bringing that gear ratio up, we're going to be able to cut anywhere from 400 to 600 RPM while cruising at 70, 75 miles an hour. And that's including the gear vendor that we already have attached to the back of our TCI Street Fighter Torque Flight. So we're really hoping that together with the 410s, our 295 6015 Mickey Thompson ET Streets, that we're able to have both our cake and eat it too, in the sense that we'll be able to do great hard launches, really good 60 foots, keep our quarter mile still in the mid 10s, and be able to be a little bit more civilized out on the highway.
I'm Kevin Shaw, and you've been watching Mopar Connection Magazine. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a like, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. It'll definitely help us grow the channel. And if you want more awesome Mopar content, make sure to check us out at moparconnectionmagazine.com.